Hey, great twos, it's Mr. Olson. We're going to be taking another look at some more graphing today. And this is the same graph that we used yesterday, and you will even be able to use the graph that you made yesterday to complete today's assignment, because we're just going to make one simple change. Here on our legend, where it says one picture of a car equals 1, we're going to change that to 2. So how does that change our graph? If every picture of a car is worth 2. So on our graph, when each one was worth 1, we had 1, 2, 3. But now each one is worth 2. So now for the blue cars, I have 2, 4, 6. And my green cars are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Red, 2, 4, 6, 8. So it increases the number of cars that are shown on my graph if each one is worth 2. So now we can answer these questions with our new information. How many cars does Mr. Olson have in all? Well, now I'm counting by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. 24 cars in all, because each car is worth 2. How many more green cars than blue cars does Mr. Olson have? Well, if I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 green cars and 2, 4, 6, that means I have 4 more green cars than blue cars. How many fewer red cars than green cars does Mr. Olson have? Well, I have 2, 4, 6, 8 red, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 green, which means I have 2 fewer red cars than green cars. So it's very important that we look at this and don't forget that we're counting now by 2's on our graph. So today, you can use the same graph that you made yesterday, your I Spy color graph, or you can make a new one. But what I want you to do is change, for when you're answering the questions, that each dot is going to equal 2. Okay, so each dot equals 2. You can make a new graph, you can use the same graph, but see how that changes your answers to these questions, and make a comparison from the graph yesterday to the graph today. Happy learning!